quite a bit, and this is on, and it's shaking, and the complaint is overheating. All right, this thing is vibrating like crazy. That's a new water pump. Said they put a new water pump and a new thermostat on, but it's overheating. Verify this is low. You never open the radiator cap if there's pressure on the line. Okay, what we got going on here? Let me top this off, guys. Get some water in here. He said cooling water just spits right back out. Y'all know where this is leaving, right? But around here we don't speculate. At least I don't. I like to verify. Okay, so duplicate. Now I'm unable to test drive. I normally advocate test driving a car, but this is missing. Y'all see that? Well, you can't feel it, I know, but you can see that vibration. It's misfiring. I wouldn't even call it a misfire. I'd say it's a rough idle. Real hard. Look at the vibration. And look how much water I'm adding, okay? It was full. She said it was full when she brought it over. And I don't know about you guys, but there's a funny aroma smell that a car gives off when it has overheated severely. That's exactly what I'm smelling now. So most of the stuff I'm saying is based off years of experience and stuff I have been through. Now again, pretty much got a pretty good idea of what it's going to lead to, but what I'm trying to do now is verify that my suspicious is correct. So even after full, y'all see the bubbles. Oh, not good, guys. Let me see something. Yeah, I just smelled it. That don't smell good or nothing. This car is extremely idling, very, very rough. Now a lot of things can cause a rough idle, so don't automatically assume, you know, just jump straight to the conclusion of a head gasket. That seems to be the first thing people spit out all the time. Head gasket leaking, head gasket, must be a blown head gasket. Guys, these are aluminum cylinder heads, so I have refrained from going through the trouble of removing cylinder heads just to put head gaskets on it. I've been stopped doing that a long time ago. After the first couple ones I got burned on, a PT Cruiser. I'll never forget, that car face came out in 01. Overheating, we pulled the head off. Sure, the head gasket was blown, slapped the head gasket on it. 2 weeks later, it's back. Not good. Alright, I'm seeing some, I wouldn't call that exhaust gases, because there's a special test you really need to run and verify that's exhaust gases, but some form of gas is pushing through the cooling system, guys. So what I'm gonna do is go find my coolant exhaust gas block tester, I guess that's what they call it, and see if we can run this test, guys. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna go to a quick ad break. I will be right back. We're gonna start the next phase of this discussion and this diagnosis. Stay with me, guys. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. Wow. Y'all see right there my tester. The only problem is I don't have any more solution. I have to go borrow some solution, but y'all see that? That is exhaust gases, guys. Now take a look at something, okay? Like, I am squeezing this hose, so it's not under pressure. It's not under like tight pressure. You can't be under pressure anyway if the radiator cap off. But that is essentially spitting out all the coolant. You can see I don't want it to shoot up and hit me. That is the exhaust gases, guys. Now I wouldn't say it's a blown head gasket. I would say it's a problem in the head, a problem in the sealing area of the head, between the head and the block. And I don't have no solution. I really want y'all to see this test. I really want to run this test and show y'all the change of colors, because I'm almost certain that is exhaust gases. Dang. I'm gonna have to go borrow. I'm gonna see if a co-worker got some. That's all I can find. I don't know where my solution is. But yeah, that is spitting back out, guys. not good. And the engine is running rough. You see that? That is, I should have some like water in the oil. Let's take a look at the oil. Yeah, that could be a little misleading, so be careful going by. Now typically you want to see oil mixed with water, but you might not always get that, so be careful with that. See, that stuff, that it like tones down and it'll come back up. So I can almost guarantee you this is an intermittent overheating concern. So I say, man, sometimes you have to dry the car and make it yours to get it to happen. So it's starting to look like they replaced this water pump for nothing and that thermostat for nothing. I wouldn't say for nothing, because if it was leaking, you would have had to repair the leak in order to proceed with the diagnosis, guys. So don't always see it start again. So it's sometime a thing. It'll overheat sometime. Every time I fill it up, it spit it back out. See how it's the temperature of the hose is hot. So also guys, don't let this, like, depending on how long the car been running, you may get that spill out. I'm sure it's low now. It doesn't spill it all out on the floor. So I need to add some liquids. It don't have to be coolant, guys. Don't waste your money doing the coolant thing. What's up, man? I'm good. All right, so I don't know, guys. I have to write up see that steam, guys? That's the part your tools should catch. Those are the gases. If those are exhaust fumes, exhaust gases, that's what should turn your liquid solution color. God, I really want y'all to see this test, guys. Let me go see if a coworker got some, guys. Y'all hold tight, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. Y'all see what I got here? Look at that. It's getting worse. Combustion leak indicator fluid. All right, so what I'm gonna do is put that in here. It's supposed to change colors. So what I'm supposed to do is suck in the fumes only, the gases only, not that. So it's okay to let that boil over, get down to a level to where you don't want to squeeze this and suck in coolant. No, that's not how they work. All right, so let me do this. And this stuff, this stuff can expire. I mean, it's been setting up for a while. I hope it act right and change colors, because I'm almost certain exhaust gases is entering into the combustion system, cooling system. So it's blue now. Fluid level right here. All right, so technically, guys, it's supposed to turn green. You're gonna see. I just want the fumes, I don't want the liquid. So let me try to get this down to a decent level where I can suck in some real good some of these gases, because I can smell it now, so I know it's exhaust gases getting into the cooling system. There you go. Y'all see that? Wow. Oh, so it's getting bad. Let me see some. Okay, y'all see that? Wow. See that? It's changing color. It was blue. Let me see if y'all can get a good. Y'all see that? It is now greenish looking. So ladies and gentlemen, that is a true indicator. See, there's still some fumes coming right here. That is now green, ladies and gentlemen. So this engine, again, I'm gonna refrain from saying it's got a blown head gasket, because that could be the case, but that's not. You don't want to stop there, guys. You're supposed to call it, or I suggest you call it simple. You're getting exhaust gases into the cooling system. That could be via a head gasket, sure. but it could be via a number of other things. So do not just pull aluminum cylinder heads off just to put gaskets on them. I highly suggest you get those cylinder heads to a machine shop if you're going to reuse them, okay? And now you can check a cylinder head for warpage, okay? Straight edge, you can use a straight edge. Can y'all see? You can use a straight edge, guys, and check a head for warpage. All right, but warpage is not really going to tell you, well, that's the indication that it's overheated because it's warped. Okay, but I highly suggest you send it to a machine shop and let them pressurize it and check it for flatness. That way you cover your own butt, guys. In some cases, with this many miles, I can almost guarantee you they're gonna make me write up the engine. This car has 220 some thousand miles. All right, so it's basically engine time, guys. So what I'm gonna do is and I'm not really in mechanic mode right now, I'm gonna have to write up an engine, guys. That is now green. That means this engine failed the overheating coolant test. It's in for overheating. They put a water pump on. That's a brand new water pump and a brand new thermostat. That did not touch their problem. All right, so guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm glad I finally got a chance for you to see that, so you can see what you need to do or what you need to look for in the event your car have nagging overheating. This is really the case, especially with cars like the PT Cruiser that has known problem. Now, granted, guys, concerning the PT Cruiser, it's not that that car has head problems. The problem arises when you let it overheat and you continue to drive it. Okay, a PT Cruiser is known for blown head gasket, but it doesn't just blow. Now, I would say this about the PT Cruiser. It's known for overheating problems. That is what causes the head to warp or the gasket to blow. Okay, so you gotta get out of the habit of categorizing cars like the PT Cruiser as, oh, them things have head gasket problems all the time. No, what happens is people overheat them, and it don't take much. That's the thing, guys. It doesn't take much to warp those heads. So the slightest people, the fan go out on those. That's the normal problem. The fan will go out, the car will overheat, and people will keep driving it overheating. That is what warps the cylinder head and make the car appear to have a bad head gasket or blown head gasket. Not that the PT Cruisers always blow head gaskets. No, that's not it. The minute your car overheating, people, if your car, which is 90% of the cars today, your car is equipped with aluminum cylinder heads, I say that percentage is even higher. Your car is equipped with aluminum cylinder heads. The minute you see the car overheating, people, you have to shut it down. Unless you're in an emergency state. And at that point, you don't care. And that's understandable. But do not continue to drive a car while it's overheating. So, before I get off track and get upset, man, because I see this all the time and time in the chat rooms on Facebook. Everybody want to blame their overheating ills on the car. Oh, man, my car went out, blew another head gasket. No, you overheated your car. That's what caused your head to warp. All right, let me wrap this up, man. I got to run. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.